So how do you make a alias or shortcut depending on which operating system you're on? So it's simple. If you're on Chrome, this is the absolute same. So I'm on Brave. So you want to click on the 3 lines. Then you want to click on More Tools. On Chrome, it might be a slightly bit different. But then what you want to do is click on Create Shortcut. So yeah, I'm going to let it open as a window. Yeah, Create. So you can see that YouTube has been opened as a new window. I can put YouTube as an, since YouTube is an alias right now, I can put it into my desktop right over here. And then every time I click on the YouTube icon, it will take me to this 100% YouTube page. This YouTube page used to be a completely different app, but it's no longer an app anymore. I wish it was, but there's no YouTube app for desktop at least. Mobile users, of course, you have it. And then you can always just click on Open, and then it will open a new window. Anyways, if this helped, then please share it to a person that might need it. And yeah, peace out.